Hey, it's Fam and welcome back to another makeup vlog. So for today's video, I'm going to share to you the newest Maybelline product, which is the Sensational Cushion Matte. So if you're interested, keep on watching. And I just bought the Burnt Bundle, which is medyo may pagka-nude, pero may mixed with the red. Not too, alam mo yun, bold red. Mahilig ako sa mga ganun, sa mga bundle, kasi gusto ko may free. Hindi, gusto ko may kada brand ng cosmetics. Meron akong pouch, ganun, kasi this is very important when it comes to, you know, makeup. So let's start from their free pouch, and this is the picture. So, ito yung free pouch niya. Very simple lang, and you know, I didn't expect na ganito yung magiging pouch nila. Kasi diba, Maybelline New York, yo! And this one is very, parang katsa, ganun. Hydrating matte. I love the formula of this one. So, kasi nga, I have this kind of, you know, situation on my lips, which is very dry. So, dry yan, and then very chapped. So, meron siyang vitamin E and non-drying formula that keeps your lips, you know, moisturized all day long. Like, yeah, that's all we wanted naman, diba? One, it has a blurring gel that, you know, focus lang sa soft look and can avoid the cracked look onto your lips. So, the first shade, this is called the Chestnut. On the packaging is very like, you know, Maybelline is hindi magpapatalo din yan. And just like any other brand, mostly likely, they usually use something like square na container, ganon. Kasi more on like, you know, sa ganon. And as you all notice, meron siyang matte na nakasulat siyaan. And then, yung Maybelline New York and also their shades. So, yung plastic niya, merong mga ingredients. Then, doon na mismo sa container, wala na. Yung applicator niya, very not that too thin and not that too thick. So, nasa, sakto lang ganun. And, yeah, medyo naka-bend ng konti. Parang pagka-swatch mo pa lang, mararamdaman mo na yung pagka-soft niya, and then pagka-glide niya sobrang smooth, and makikita mo kagad. Mararamdaman mo yung pagka-moisturizing. Kasi naman, no, look the shininess. Very natural, just like my lips. Oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite. And there has a scent na parang magic powder, ganun yung amoy niya. Siya. Just like my lips, ganun. Oh, parang natural looking siya, and very may pagka-mauve na light. Then, yeah, it's very light. This one is Urban Spice. Mixed with nude, ganun, but not too reddish. Let's try to use the finger. So, let's just dump. So, maglalagay lang ako sa inner part. Hindi naman din sila nagkakalayo pag in-apply mo na, and then pag nakita mo yung shade. Hindi ko pa pala na-swatch sa inyo. So, anyways, let's watch. Diba? Sobrang excited. Oh, tingnan mo na, na-apply mo na, girl. The last shade, which is the Cool Rebel. Yes, this one. Dark na siya. So, pa-dark na red, gano'n, na may pagka mixed with nude, gano'n. I think this one is red-ish. Not dark, gano'n. that is the last shade that I got, and it's very like, I love the formula. It's very hydrating. Hindi siya very bright, hindi siya very hindi siya very bold tignan yung lipstick. Parang soft talaga siya. Faded, parang ganon. And as you all notice, sobrang magkakalapit lang sila ng shades. This is 10 over 10. And I think, alam niyo yun, pag hindi maganda yung lips nyo, you can use this. If you guys like it. And also, don't forget to visit their website kasi andun lahat ng details. Makikita nyo the description, the ingredients, and also the prices of the other products. So yeah, once again, this is Pam, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye!